Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create effective AI prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to eStudio, Google.com ***. Sign in with your Google account and you'll arrive at the Google AI Studio dashboard. Click New Prompt *** or Create Prompt *** to start a new conversation. Before you begin typing, think about the result you want. A well-written prompt gives the AI clear instructions and leads to much better responses. Start with a simple and direct request. For example, instead of write about AI, try something like, write a 500-word beginner-friendly article explaining artificial intelligence with simple examples. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. You can also include details such as the writing style, tone, audience, format, and length. For example, ask the AI to write in a professional, friendly, or conversational tone. You can request bullet points, tables, step-by-step guides, or even code examples. If you're creating prompts for coding, clearly mention the programming language and explain what you want the code to do. For creative projects, describe the idea, setting, and any important details you want the AI to include. After writing your prompt, click the *** run *** or send *** button. Review the AI's response carefully. If the result isn't exactly what you expected, improve your prompt by adding more details, changing the wording, or giving additional instructions. Prompt refinement is one of the best ways to get higher quality results. Keep experimenting with different prompt styles and save your best prompts for future projects. Over time, you'll learn which instructions produce the most accurate and useful responses. And that's it. That's how you create effective AI prompts in Google AI Studio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.